class,
And
uh, in Unit 2, we are going to read Summer Sequence, Leave the Cuckoo Alone to Sing its Song, Fruits of Summer, Moon, Wind. Now open your English textbook. We'll start with the poem Summer Sequence. Page number 37. This poem is written by Gauri Deshpande. This is an excerpt from Beyond the Slaughterhouse. Some of your friends are still joining. Just give me a moment. We'll start. Now, Naina, you have the book. Please turn on your camera and you can read about Gauri Deshpande. Naina, you can start reading. I guess Naina got disconnected. Who is next? Who has book? Raise hand. Okay, Akshara, very good. Akshara, you can read about Gauri Deshpande.
ma'am, in textbook, ma'am.
Yes, textbook, page number 37.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, once can you repeat the page number?
Page number 37, Summer Sequence.
27, ma'am. Summer sequence. Summer sequence. Gauri Deshpande, 1942 to 2003, was a well-known writer and
Everyone, please turn on the camera and listen carefully. Those who don't have book, please pay more attention. Okay. Now, Akshara, please continue.
translator of Marathi literature. She published poems, essays, short stories both in Marathi and English. She taught English Ferguson's College, Pune.
Pune, yes.
Pune. She was the editor of Opinion magazine. She has contributed several articles to the Indian Post, a newspaper that was launched by Vinod Mehta, presently editor of Outlook in the 1980s. The Lackadaisical Sweeper, published in 1997, in her first collection of short stories in English. In the next extract, Gauri Deshpande describes her experience of Indian summer with its riot of colors.
Riot of colors. Good. So everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
About Gauri Deshpande, it is clear she is Indian and she is basically from Maharashtra, Pune, and she finished her study. Uh, she taught English there, and she contributed several articles in the famous newspaper Indian Post and wrote many books and poems. And especially this poem is about the summer season where she described the Indian summer very colorfully. Okay, let's start the poem. Who is willing to read now? Hriday raised hand. Hriday, turn on the camera. Hriday, turn on the camera if you wish to read. Mahima is raising hand now. Mahima,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, can you turn on the camera first? Good. Mahima, read the first stanza of this poem.
This is the summer of flowers. They went berserk, the blossoming trees. First, it was silk cottons, staining with red bursts. Slight side then mango, fragrant dripping, honey on our sated lips, and laburnum hanging in great globes of sun. When the flame bonds of the re- relentless sun has
Relentless?
faded.
Okay, stop here. Very good.
Blossoming means like
Flowering, full of flowers. Next word is staining.
What,
What is
ma'am?
the meaning of stain? S-T-A-I-N.
ma'am, it's like something like dirty things on your
Yes,
thing.
some mark. Yes, correct. Burst. B-U-R-S-T-S. Burst.
Burst.
Yes, burst.
Come
Ma'am,
out.
No,
it's like
burst.
something which explodes.
Yes, explode. Correct. Then mango, fragrant. Fragrant.
Fragrant means the
Smell.
Yes,
Smell.
scent.
Smell.
Sated means S-A-T-E-D. Sated.
Ma'am, your voice is low, ma'am.
I think is it smooth lip?
Honey on our sated lips.
Ma'am, sated means satisfied.
Satisfied.
Correct. When we eat enough, when our stomach is full, that is called sated or satisfied. Next is laburnum. What is the meaning of laburnum?
A tree. Ma'am, it's a tree.
Yes,
Laburnum.
a tree with yellow flower.
Ma'am, it has yellow flowers.
Flamboyance means
Brilliance.
and relentless means
Merciless.
Merciless.
Ma'am, what you
Merciless
are
means what,
talking, I
ma'am?
can't
Harsh.
understand, ma'am. Your voice
Harsh,
is
ma'am.
too low.
So harsh.
Yes, ma'am. What you are talking, we can't
relentless.
understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible now clearly?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, what are you saying, ma'am? Until now.
Everyone can hear me clearly now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good. Let's continue. So we started the poem Summer Sequence by Gauri Deshpande. She described the summer season in India. She described summer is a season of flowers and they went crazy or wild. We have different color of flowers during summer and we can see the blossoming trees. And also we have various fruits in summer, especially the mangoes. And we can have the beautiful fragrant dripping honey on our seated lips. So summer for India is a very satisfying season. It is full of colors, full of flowers, and it is rich in fruits which satisfy our desire to eat, right? And the sun is in its full grace. Means in summer season the sun shines the most and is the relentless, means without any very severe. During the summer the sun is very severe or the most powerful, right? This is the meaning of the first stanza. Up to here it is clear? Everyone show me thumbs up if it is clear. Good. Ruday, Himashri, Shahasra, is it clear? Ridvika, Nidesh, no response. Please show me thumbs up if it is clear, or you can turn on your camera and show me thumbs down. I'll explain again. Okay, I guess so far it is clear. Good. Let's read the next stanza. Who is interested to read now? Raise your hand quickly. Akshara read it already. I want to see a new face. Okay, Ruday raised hand. Ruday, you have to turn on your camera. This is the condition. If anyone wants to participate, please turn on camera. Yes, Ruday, you can read now.
Ma'am, I did not understand first para, ma'am. I had
Okay,
power
then Ruday, you read it line by line. I'll explain. Okay, or who can explain? Akshara or Mahima, can you explain? Can you help Ruday? Those who
Ma'am,
already,
you explain, ma'am.
I think your friend can do it. Okay, I'll help. Okay, Ruday, read the first two lines.
Yes, ma'am. This is a summer of flowers. They went berserk.
Yes.
The blossoming trees, first it was silk cottons, staining with red bursts, tight, then mango, fragrant dripping honey on her sated lips, and laburnum hanging in great globes of sun. When the flamboyance of the relentless sun has blazed,
Okay,
ma'am,
stop. Up to here. We read up to here, Ruday. So what is the meaning of it? Summer is the season of,
I'll
right? Okay, explain. Who is willing to explain, please?
Mom, this is a summer of flowers means the summer is with full of flowers,
Correct?
and they went berserk means they grew wild.
Very good. So Ruday, do you understand now? What is your friend explaining? Is it clear now?
yes, ma'am.
Let me see your expression. Please keep your camera on, Ruday. This is disrespectful. Your friend is keeping her camera on. I'm keeping my camera on.
No, ma'am.
So keep your camera on and respond. Okay, now Mahima, continue. Very good. The two lines are well explained. Summer is a season of flower, and we have a huge amount of flower during this season. Next,
Yeah. Ma'am. The blossoming trees means the trees were the full of flowers,
yes.
flowering,
First, it was
flowering
silk
tree.
cotton. During summer, we get the silk cotton.
Yeah, ma'am.
We all know that we get the cotton from tree, right? It is a one kind of fruit. There are cotton tree, and this tree also give flower during this summer. And then we have the mangoes. During summer only, we get the king of fruit, mango. It grows in abundance, right? And then we have the laburnum flower. During summer, we can see this yellow beautiful flower hanging from tree. And also sun during this season is in its highest power. It shines the most with its full glory. This is the meaning of this stanza. Now it is clear, everyone. Especially Hruday, he has always doubt. Now it is clear. Now can we move
Ma'am?
to the next stanza? Yes, yes, Akshara. We're speaking.
Ma'am,
Yes,
abundant means
Shastra.
what, ma'am?
Plenty.
yes, ma'am.
Abundance means plenty. A lot of. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll read. Mahima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
From in great globes of sun, ma'am.
Read from here. Sun has paled and thinned in heaping cloud.
Yeah, ma'am. Sun has paled and thinned in heaping cloud. Jacarand's deep purple, subdued splendor, then cassia colored love. Fine finally, Gulmer flame fulfillment of passion. We must wait for the cool of rain and green mornings before we know if Jasmine can keep pace.
Good. So here again we have some new words. Let's find the meaning. What is the meaning of pale? P-A-L-E.
What is the meaning of pale?
Yes, pale.
Ma'am, I think it means the
Light colored, I think, ma'am. Light,
Yes,
the
light color.
color reduced, lightest color after like we wash.
Light colored, ma'am.
Light colored, correctly.
Yes, ma'am. Light colored.
Yes, ma'am, light color.
What is jacaranda?
What, ma'am?
Next one. What is the meaning of splendor?
splendor, ma'am.
Ma'am, splendor is very impressive beauty. Means the beauty which is like very impressive.
Yes, magical beauty. Correct.
Subdued splendor.
Cassia color.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
C-A-S-S-I-A.
Cassia is called natural henna. Like it's a
Khaki color, we can say khaki, or the color of cinnamon,
Ma'am,
dried grass.
it says that it's a natural henna.
Yes.
Has no dye content but contains size
Cassia color.
bearing masses of reddish orange flowers.
Gulmohar. Have you seen gulmohar tree with
Yes,
red
ma'am.
flower and very small leaves?
Reddish orange flowers. It has red orange flowers.
I think everyone
Which trees, ma'am?
side streets. If you go to the highway, you can see a lot of gulmohar there. Look at the. If you have the book, you can see the picture is also there with small leaves.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the gulmohar tree with red flower.
Gulmohar tree.
Yes. Okay, let's.
Ma'am, it's like this,
In
ma'am.
red color, ma'am.
Yes, red color.
Ma'am, it's like this, ma'am.
Gulmohar.
Yes, correct. That one, correct.
Yes, ma'am. Red color flowers.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Red color flowers and leaves.
So, in the second paragraph, the poet describes how summer season ends. What happened during the end of summer season? Sun has paled and thinned in heaping cloud. Jacaranda's deep purple subdued splendor. So, at the end of summer season, we can see cloud covering the sun, thin cloud covering the sun. Okay, and we can see the jacarandas flowering during this time, and the color of jacaranda flower is purple. Okay, subdued splendor. Now, in the first paragraph, we came to know that the sun was in its full glamour, full of brightness, but at the end of the season, sun reduces its glory. Okay, subdued splendor. Then cassia color,
అమ్మమ్మ దీని తర్వాత తెలుగు.
flame fulfillment of the passion. And everything around you at the end of summer season turn very gray. Cassia color means the khaki color or the light brown color. What happened at the end of summer season? The grasses dry completely, right? Or the paddy field, if you look at that, it looks very brownish. We must wait for the cool of rain and green mornings. So now our wait start for the monsoon, which is described as cool of rain and green mornings. As the monsoon starts, the plants start to grow new, right? It start to get green again. Before we know if jasmine can keep pace. And this is the season when we can get abundance of jasmine flower also. So this is the poem. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has doubt about the poem? Is it clear now? Everyone understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Should I move to the question answers now?
Yes, ma'am.
What does the poet enjoy about the summer season? Which is your favorite season? The poet mentioned two things about summer season. What she enjoyed during the summer. She mentioned two things.
Mango.
Yes, mango and plenty of flower, abundance of flowers, right?
Yeah.
And why it is your favorite season? Everyone can give different answer according to as per your opinion. Okay.
What kind
Because
of
in
food
that
poet
season
made
we'll see much flowering trees, eating. She can eat mangoes, and
No, I'm asking about your favorite season.
Ma'am will get
our
summer
favorite.
holidays, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am
you
will get summer holidays.
okay. That's why summer is your favorite. Very good. What kind
Ma'am, in summer my birthday will be, ma'am. That's why.
Okay, great.
I like winter, ma'am.
Winter. Any particular reason?
No, ma'am, but it will be somewhat cool now, ma'am.
Yes, comfortable. That's
Yeah, ma'am.
so. We'll end here. We are almost time is over. Only 2 minutes left.
Ma'am, I also like winter, ma'am.
Yes, my favorite season is also winter. It is comparatively cooler and more comfortable. We can go out and also we enjoy the Pongal holidays, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
And we can eat a lot of sweets. So this was the summer sequence. The poem ends here. Tomorrow we'll discuss more question and answers and we'll start the course book.
Okay, ma'am.
Go through the questions. If you can answer this and read the poem again, there are so many new words. Learn the word meaning, everyone. And
Okay.
so today we are closing the class here. Take care. Take a short break. Drink a lot of water. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.